Hi, I'm Brent from BL Carpentry, and today we're installing some NewTechWood Cladding in the Castellation, and we'll be installing an external trim here. I've pre-drilled some holes. I've got the board up on a packer so that it stays above the concrete and the finished floor. We've used a small galvanised screw to fix the trim to the timber. Underneath the trim, we've left a 20mm gap between the limestone and the trim to allow for expansion and contraction. And we've installed one of our external corner trims for the Castellation Cladding.